Sony is quietly preparing one of the biggest shifts in its cinema camera lineup, and the filmmaking world is buzzing. What started as whispers of a small refresh has evolved into one of the most exciting and game-changing developments in Sony's digital cinema roadmap, the Sony FX3 Mark II. Insiders, prototype testers, and industry analysts report that Sony is developing a camera meant to surpass the FX3, and even challenge higher-tier models like the FX6, and in some ways, tread into FX9 territory. The FX3 II aims to combine cinema-grade performance, mirrorless mobility, and pro-level reliability in a body filmmakers already love. The original FX3 was praised for its compact build, great autofocus, and low-light performance, but its biggest flaw was overheating during long shoots. Documentary crews, wedding filmmakers, and event shooters all faced reliability issues during extended sessions. The FX3 II will include a new active cooling system inspired by the FX6 and FX9. This could allow unlimited recording, even in 6K, without shutdowns. Sony is also rumored to be using reinforced heat-resistant alloys, making the camera more durable for harsh environments, long shoots, and high-pressure productions. Reports point to a 24-megapixels fully stacked full-frame sensor, offering faster readout, virtually zero rolling shutter, massive dynamic range, incredible low-light performance, possible triple native ISO. This could make the FX3 II one of the most flexible cinema cameras on the market. Leaks suggest 6K open gate up to 120 FPS. Full sensor recording with no crop. Oversampled 4K for ultra-sharp footage. Professional slow-motion performance. This brings capabilities normally found in cameras twice its size. The FX3 II may include Wi-Fi 6E, faster cloud workflows, remote monitoring, improved AF, better stabilization, new LUT tools, and a more responsive menu system. All designed for modern production pipelines. Reliable sources indicate a launch price around $3,999 USD, placing it just slightly above the current FX3, yet offering far more power. If Sony delivers everything rumored, the FX3 II may not just update the FX3, it could redefine the entire compact cinema category.